well gutted. A common informal way of saying that you are sad or disappointed in British English is well gutted. Gutted is British slang we use when we are let down, disappointed or sad. For example, my girlfriend left me. I'm totally gutted. Joe was gutted when she didn't get the job. He missed the penalty. Gutted. Well is an informal way to say very, and we use it directly before adjectives. For example, Lan is well late for the train. She'd better run. Mark is well busy these days. Other examples of British slang that we commonly use with well include well chuffed, really happy, well knackered, very tired, well skint, having very little money, well sloshed, very drunk, and well fit, very attractive. So, well gutted means very disappointed. When was the last time you were well gutted?